In this video, I'm going to show you a brand that went from zero all the way up to $79,000 per month, exactly how they do it and how their ads and products stand out from everybody else. A lot of people are competing in this niche and a lot of people are selling products to the same audience, but they're absolutely crushing it with a new type of marketing that everybody else is ignoring, and they're beating all of their competition. Let's find out. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly how to improve the performance of your brand or your Shopify store by following what this particular brand does and their unique strategy that beats out everybody else. If you wanna win a special guide from zero all the way up to 10,000 per day on Shopify, I'm giving it away in every single video. The winner of the last video's giveaway is Nick Romero. Make sure to send me a message on Facebook or Instagram. I'll send you that guide for free. If you want to win, make sure to comment down below, automate, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner for the next video. And I'm happy to announce that the one-on-one consults for my automated e-commerce mentoring program, where you work directly with me and my team to get better results for your store, just like my student Esther did right here, to reach $5,000 per day with her Shopify store in less than 2 months. You can do the same. Click that first link in the description to apply, or wait until the end of the video for all the details. Now, the brand that I want to show you is called Minimeis, and this is their website right here. And they sell this particular product, which is a baby carrier that you put on top of your shoulders, and you can get the baby, basically giving them a 360 view of the world. And their target audience is people that tend to have more money. They travel with their kids. They want to give their kids a better experience, and therefore they target to that particular audience and sell them a unique product. I know this isn't directly drop shipped. It's a new invention. It's a new twist on a product that's already been selling before, but the same principles of branding and strategy on Facebook ads, which I'm going to show you, apply to any Shopify store that you are selling. So it's this one particularly here, and the story behind the brand, it's basically about a dad that couldn't find a baby carrier or a baby taker for his kids to show them the world and show them the beautiful nature of Scandinavia and travel with them and just give them a better experience of life. And then he designed and made this particular carrier, which there's a lot of carriers like this. It's not like a huge invention or like an amazing revolutionary product. It's just a smart twist on an already existing product, and they've sold it so well. If you click on similar web right here, they're not built on Shopify, but the strategy is basically the same. You just click on similar web here, and it's showing the country rank, the global rank, and exactly how much traffic the store is getting. So it went from around 24,000, 23,000, all the way up to around 82,000 per month, and then 79,000. Usually on similar web, it should be pretty accurate. And what we do to determine the revenue or how much money they make is do a 1-to-1 from the traffic, if most of the traffic is from a high earning country. So if most of the traffic is coming from, let's say, China or India, then we don't really do the 1-to-1 because the traffic might be a little bit less prone to buy. But here we can do a 1-to-1. The main country that's selling is in the United States, and a lot of different countries in Europe and around the rest of the world. So it's likely to estimate around $79,000 per month selling just this particular product. Only this baby carrier is making them $79K per month. And the way that they do it is through very clever Facebook ads. If you go at their Facebook page, there's around 43,000 likes, and they're running about 66 ads only to the United States, and they have multiple variations of these ads. So this one has 4, 2, 4, 2 variations, 2 variations. So they're running a large quantity of ads to very different audiences. And the way that they do it is, if you look at the videos that they're advertising their product with, they're not just like dropshipping video or like, here is a feature of the product, here is the special little gimmick to show you the product and what it does. No, they do nature and lifestyle videos, which I want you to integrate into your store. And we're just gonna take a look here. So he's outside in the beach, going to the beach with the baby carrier. It zooms in, and then it has a point of view of the baby, how it does, and it's a lifestyle, travel, going to the beach, enjoying life with the baby. And the same goes for other types of videos. This is basically the same video, just a different intro, different type of sequence. And the same goes for all the types of videos that they do. These ones right here, they're all in nature. again, it's about nature. It's targeting that audience of people that travel, people that have another experience of life, people that probably have more money. They're also targeting them directly with the ads, so it resonates very, very clearly with who wants to buy their product. They're not just a baby carrier, they're a baby carrier that makes you basically enjoy life more and makes your baby have a better view and a 360 experience of life. So here it says, give your child the best view. In the Minimeis, your child sits in a natural position, or now with free 1 to 3 day shipping. It's never been easier to bring your child on adventures. Again, target audience. Who is this for? It's for people that want to bring their children to adventures, good parents, parents that feel that they have to take care of their children to another level and that want to give them a better view of life. So just, again, target audience, amazing video, target audience, amazing video, and they do it so many different times. Here it's people that travel, your next family adventure, again, money, target audience, really, really well done with all the types of videos that they do. And obviously this is a custom product, so they got nominated as Time's Best Inventions, which is insane, but you can also achieve this. For example, let's say you have a winning product that you're dropshipping and it's just a product from China or whatever other product that other people are selling. You can also customize it and reach out either directly to your supplier or to an agent to actually make modifications of your product and make it a little bit better or a little bit more unique so it stands out over the crowd, and then you can brand it properly. I was talking about this in my live mastermind here in New York with my students this weekend. And what we talked about was proof of market before branding. What that essentially means is, let's say you start testing multiple dropshipping products, multiple winning products, and then you have one that has made you $2,000, $5,000, maybe even $10,000, $100,000, and you're thinking about, okay, should I brand this product? Should I go 100% on it? And the reality is, yes. We had one particular student who wasn't really sure about branding his product, about going all in on his niche, when in reality, that was the only profitable product that he ever tested, the product that made him the most money. And I told him, go ahead, go 100% on that, brand it properly, make it a real store, a real company, not just a dropshipping store, and the results will skyrocket. And that's usually what happens. These people probably started out dropshipping some products, found a custom one, made it really, really well done. The quality of the videos, the quality of the ads is much higher, and they also have really, really solid testimonials from people that love their product. And this one as well, they have very clever ads, which is like this one, a square on the top and a rectangle on the middle. So that particular structure of your video ad could work really well. They do the same thing on Instagram. They have a pretty large following. And again, they focus on the target audience, on the type of people that are buying their product again and again and again. Parents that want to give their babies or their kids a better experience, another type of life and a better view of life. So again, target audience, people that travel, have money, they want to give their babies a new life or a better life. And also, again, on YouTube, they do reviews, they have ads going on here on YouTube and on Google, and just constantly hitting that amazing target audience that is going to buy their products. This strategy is insane. When you actually start applying it properly, when you actually start creating your target audiences and making videos specifically towards them, ignoring everybody else and actively doing real videos, natural videos, amateur videos, that's how you skyrocket a brand, and you just focus 100% on that. I have one of my students, Ibrahim, who took his Shopify store to more than $100,000 by following this. He just focused target audience, making the product specific to them, and then obviously his whole brand is only towards that person that is going to buy his product. Also, just a note, if you want to get a customized feature of your product and kind of take it to the next level and brand it properly, I highly recommend this company called Thomasnet. I've talked about them before. I'm not affiliated to them, but let's say you're selling a baby carrier or a baby product, you can type in baby into the search here and then find companies that are suppliers of baby products, and then you can send them the design or what type of thing you want to sell, and they can do it for you customized. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit more expensive than your traditional dropshipping products. That's why I recommend doing dropshipping first. It's just the best way to start a product business, get some sales, get some profit, and then invest into a real brand, go 100% on it, and grow it as much as possible. One other important thing to note is how they give out the reviews and the testimonials from their customers. If you go to the main homepage here, it says all reviews on our product. They don't just put these Luke's reviews and reviews on the bottom of the page like everybody else. They actively do it in a very customized way, in a very, just, it stands out. when you see it. So you have here a bunch of pictures from that particular review. We use Minimeis all the time, and then the second one, you go to the second, again, picture, picture, picture. It looks much more realistic. Third one, picture, picture, picture. Minimeis accompanies us on every trip. So it's really highlighting, one, what people do with the product, and two, obviously the satisfaction that they get from using the product on a daily basis. They do it with every single one of their testimonials to just really highlight them, and super, super huge on the page. I highly recommend you do that as well. Add it to your product description, add it to your homepage. Customer satisfaction, customer reviews are the main key thing that will make a person decide, should I buy this? Should I not buy this? So if you're thinking about what to focus to get more conversions, this is it. That's it for the Minimeis case study. I hope you enjoyed this particular analysis of a store that is doing really well. You can go and take the lessons and the strategy from this particular video, put it to your Shopify store and your e-commerce business, and take it up a notch and take it to the next level this year and beyond. If you want to work with us, me and my team directly, and you want to get results just like my student Esther, who did $5,000 in a single day, went at $1,500 in profit, which is absolutely insane. Make sure to click that first link in the description and apply to work with us and mentor directly with us. My goal is to get people to her level again and again and again. 5,000 per day, 10,000 per day, and again, every single student. My goal is to get you to that point. So if you do want to get there and you want my help to do that, click that first link, apply, comment, automate down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn exactly how Esther went from zero all the way up to $1,000 per day and then to $5,000 per month, check the video that's going to pop up right here. How my student went from zero to $1,000 per day and then $5,000 per day again and again and again. Click it here, subscribe, hit that notification bell, that like button if you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video.